Hello viewers, welcome to my maths class. So today I am going to explain a new interest topic, that is coordinate geometry of 10th class 7th chapter, so exercise 7.1. So basically I will explain some important easiest methods to find the distance between the 2 points, here. So the first question is what? Find the distance between the following pair of points is given. So 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 1 are the given 2 points. So here, so we can apply the one of the easiest formula to find the distance. Okay. So now what is that? See, so let A is equals to 2 comma 3 is the given point and B is equals to 4 comma 1. So consider these two are, so it is x1 and it is y1, okay, and this is x2 and it is y2. So why? Because in an order pair, so one of the element is belongs to x and another element is belongs to y. So let it is be, this is x1 and y1 and it is x2 y2. So now, so what is the formula here? So to find the distance, so distance between, so distance formula, so distance formula. So if A x1 y1, B x2 y2 are the 2 points, then if A x1 y1, B x2 y2 are 2 points, then so distance between these two is, then so AB is equals to, this is nothing but length of the line segment also, and also so AB is equals to under root, this is the formula you have to remember. So x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, or in other words we can write x2 minus x1 whole square or under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the formula. So why we can use these two type of formulas? Because so x1 minus x2 means, so by taking the square, if you will get that negative number also, it will become as a positive number. So right, so minus 1 whole square is equals to 1 only and plus 1 whole square is equals to 1 only. So that's why, so there is no change in the value, we can use we can apply these two formulas. So now, so by using this formula here, so what are those x1 and y1 and x2 y2 are given. So right, so apply the two values here, x1 and y1. So therefore, so AB is equals to, distance between the 2 points AB is equals to, so now I am taking this formula only now. So what is the x1 value here? Apply x1 value is 2 minus x2 value is 4, so whole square plus, so y1 value is how much? 3 and minus y2 value is how much? 4, 1, so whole square. So by finally what you will get here by the simplification under root, so 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4 value is how much? Minus 2 whole square plus, so 3 minus 1, 2 whole square. So that is nothing but what? 2 minus 2 whole square, I said 2 whole square is equals to what? 4, again minus 2 whole square is also 4 plus, so this is 2 square, again 4, so root 4 plus 4 is equals to root 8. So this is the answer. So AB is equals to, means the distance between the given 2 points is equals to root 8. So 2 minus 4 is equals to, so minus 2 whole square is equals to 4, and here 3 minus 1 again 2, 2 square is equals to 4, 4 plus 4 is equals to root 8. This is the distance between the 2 points. So again, however you can use that formula, again you will get the same answer. Okay. So this is the solution for the first problem of 7.1 exercise first bit. Okay. So now see the second problem. Now see the second problem. So, minus 5 comma 7 and minus 1 comma 3, these two are the required points. So, given points A minus 5 comma 7 and B minus 1 comma 3. So, let A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. So, now what is the distance formula? If A x1 y1 B x2 y2 are 2 points, then so distance formula AB is equals to under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So, apply the values here, substitute. So, therefore, AB is equals to under root, so what is that? So, x1 is equals to minus 5, apply minus x2, so minus 1. See here we are getting that again minus 1 means you can write it in separate bracket. So, whole square plus, so y1, what is the y1? 7 minus y2 3, so whole square. So, this is the substitution. So, now by simplifying this what you will get? So, minus 5, so minus into minus plus 1 whole square. So, plus 7 minus 3 is equals to 4 whole square. So, that is nothing but what? See here you can direct simplify that, what you will get. So, minus 5 plus 1, minus 5 plus 1, how much? Minus 4, minus 4 whole square, minus 4 whole square plus, so this is 4 whole square. So, however, you will get the same answer. See, minus 4 whole square is equals to 16 plus again plus 4 whole square is equals to 16, 16 plus 16 that is equals to root 32, that is the distance between the 2 points or length of the line segment. I said length of the line segment AB or distance between the 2 points in the plane, that is root 32. This is the solution for the second one. So, now let us go for the third question. Now, see the third question. So, minus 2 comma minus 3 is the one of the point and 3 comma 2 is the another point. So, now we have to find the distance between these 2 points, right. Let A minus 2 comma minus 3 and B 3 comma 2, then so A x1 y1 order pair and B x2 y2. So, you can consider now the distance formula, it is, so AB is equals to under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So, apply the values and you will get the distance between the given 2 points, that is, so under root, so what is that? X1 minus 2 minus x2, so 3, so minus 2 minus 3 whole square plus y1 minus 3 minus y2 2 whole square. Okay. So, now, so by the simplification what we will get? Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, so minus 5 whole square plus, so minus 3 minus 2 again minus 5 whole square. So, this is the simplification of that. Minus 5 whole square is nothing but 25 plus 25 only, again minus 5 whole square is nothing but plus 25. So, minus 20 plus 25 is equals to what? Root 50. So, this is the distance between the 2 points. So, distance between the given 2 points. So, minus 2 comma minus 3 and 3 comma 2. So, now, so third problem solution completed. So, now fourth problem, that is the last problem of this first bit. Okay. Okay, now see the last problem, fourth problem, that is A comma B and minus A comma minus B. So, let A is equals to A comma B x1 y1 and B is equals to minus A comma minus B x2 y2. Now, substitute that. So, both A and B values in the given formula. So, AB is equals to what? So, apply that. So, write x1 is equals to A. So, minus x2 is equals to minus of minus A here. So, whole square plus y1 is equals to B minus of minus y2 is equals to minus b whole square. So, this is the formula and submission of the given A and B values. So, A minus into minus plus A plus A whole square plus, see here B minus into minus plus B whole square. So, that is nothing but what we can write. See, A plus A 2A whole square plus B plus B 2B whole square, 2B whole square. So, this value is nothing but what? 2A whole square means 4A square plus, so 2B whole square means 4B square. So, this is under root. So, up to here is also correct, but here 4 will take common, then what you will get? So, 4 into under root A square plus B square under root. So, we can write this as, so root 4 into root A square plus B square. Root 4 value we can write it as what? So, root 4 value, that is 2 into under root A square plus B square. So, this is the final answer. Okay. So, this is the distance between the given 2 points. Okay. So, first question of the 7.1 exercise completed. I hope you understand. So, okay, thank you very much.